Hello my crafty friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lori with Art Lab Designs. And I'm here today to show you the cards I made with the August 2019 Simon Says stamp card kit, which was filled with cute pandas. They had a 6x8 stamp set, a bunch of beautiful double-sided papers that I think were doodle bug papers, and then there were 4 sheets of cardstock, and what else? Flocking, which I'll get to in just a second. So this is the first card I made. I bought the coordinating die cuts because I really hate fussy cutting. So I stamped out the panda and the gifts and put that on some of the pattern paper, the red and then the striped rainbow pattern paper. And I embossed Party Time, which is one of the sentiments from the stamp set, in white embossing powder. And I added a little green pom-pom, which was from a kit that was presented back in January, I think. And then I just popped everything up on some fun foam to give it a little dimension. And inside it says, "Happy birthday, I'm here for the party," and all the cake. These pandas are really cute. This next card features the flocking paper that I just talked about. One of the things that came with the kit was a die of this panda, and I think he's called the large story, or maybe the small storybook panda. He's so cute, and so in the kit they included white flocking paper and black flocking paper, which I've never used before, and they also included a sheet of double-sided sticky paper, if you will. It wasn't really tape, it was like a 6x6 sheet of paper, and I used that to adhere the pieces of the panda, because it obviously cuts out all the little separate pieces, onto the sticky paper, and then I backed it with some cardstock, and I'll show you just in just a second what I did. So this one says, "Hip hip hooray, it's party time. This party is going to be stupendous." And I embellished with a few iridescent sequins, and it just says "Happy Birthday" inside, and one of the strips of pattern paper. I just really like the pattern paper that came in this kit. It really suits well with the black and white pandas. So this panda is actually a bookmark, and he's removable from the card, as you can see. And what I did was I got this idea from Laura Basson, also known as Laura Fedora on YouTube. She is a representative for Simon Says Stamp, as well as Alta New and Heffy Doodle and Mama Elephant and a few other brands. But she always has great videos because they're very humorous, but they're also very creative. And she showed how she made a little bookmark like this, and I just copied her instructions. So I used the flocking paper for the front. I used a piece of dark gray cardstock for the back, just to give it some support. Pardon me. And then I glued a strip of cardstock on the back and secured it with a magnet so that it holds onto the page. I was trying to see if I have a book around here. I don't. But it holds on to the page in your book and keeps your place thusly, and it doesn't go anywhere. So I think this is a cute idea. I'm going to list it in my Etsy shop, and I was thinking for a young kid who reads, especially a little girl or a little boy who reads, they would like this little bookmark. Frankly, I would like this little bookmark, so I'm sure there are other adults out there like me who like this kind of cutesy kind of thing. And I like doing it so much that I made a second card with a bookmark. So this bookmark also comes out. I'm not going to pull this one out because I actually did some extra surgery behind the scenes to make this fit better, and it's kind of a pain to get in and out. But this one says, "Party like a panda because birthdays only happen once a year." And I added some clear cabochon stones to it. And again, plaid. I love plaid paper. I used that with some hot pink and then a light yellow card base, and I just stamped "Happy Birthday" inside. Here's another card made using the stamps and the matching dies. A little panda laying on his tummy, and he's got some balloons, and I coordinated the colors of the balloons, which I colored with Nuvo creative pens or creative markers, and coordinated it with the pattern paper, which has lime, yellow, blue, aqua, and green, and embossed party time on a banner with some little green sequins, and then inside excuse me, I'm so sorry, inside I stamped "Let's celebrate, happy birthday." And I put it, I actually glued an extra piece of white cardstock inside because this teal color is so dark. I was afraid that it would be difficult to write something that was readable on it. And this one is really cute as well. Our little panda has on a party hat, and he's blowing a little party horn, and he's holding some balloons that say happy. And again, I colored them with alcohol markers just to coordinate with the papers I had chosen, and put all of it on a light green card base with some dark blue sequins. And this one says, because it says happy on the outside, birthday on the inside, you're allowed to cause as much pandemonium as you'd like. Art. I love these little punny sayings. I might actually put glossy accents inside that happy. I just realized they would probably look kind of cool and shiny like that. And then finally, I did this one, which is a belated birthday card, because I know that sometimes people are late getting out their birthday greetings. So this is a sad little panda that came in the stamp set, and he's crying, and he's got a deflated balloon and a squished up package, and he says, "Oh my gosh, did I seriously forget your birthday? I'm so sorry." So he's a cutie, cute little sad panda forgetting somebody's birthday. Oh, and I just realized that my nails coordinate with this paper. Anyhow, the card kit also came with a hot pink and a white envelope to coordinate with the papers. And all I have left from the kit are the stamps, of course, and the dies, which I bought separately. I have some scraps of the pattern paper, just a few scraps. I still have a lot of flocking because they gave us 4 6x6 black sheets of flocking and 4 white 6x6 of white. Did I already say that? White and black, so 4 of each. So I have lots of flocking left. I have the die that made these little bookmarks that I showed you. What else do I have? I think that might be it. But I really used up quite a few of the things in this kit, which I'm really happy about. And I'm really proud of myself that I managed to finish making some cards before the end of the month. I know it's August 29th, but I still made it under the deadline. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration, either to use things you already have in your stash or to use what came in the August 2019 Simon Says Stamp card kit. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below. I read all of my comments and questions and respond to them. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Thanks so much.